Hello there, this is class number 6 for A Course in Miracles students. My name is Judith and this is the Qigong support for A Course in Miracles students. Today we're going to do a purification session as we are focusing on the lungs. So we just want to purify our body, mind and emotions, and we're going to do this with the 6 healing sound and with shaking the tree. And at the end we are going to do a small circulation where you can apply your lesson. You can also let go of certain grievances and certain ideas, negative emotions or ideas, or your ego playing up, where you can get rid of this which is not helping you. So you come and put your feet shoulder width apart, put a smile on your face, remember your central channel. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Become aware of the space you are in. If you're the first time doing Qigong with me, I am suggesting that you watch how Qigong can help you as a Course in Miracles student. The information is below in the description. You inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth, and just let it all go down into the earth. Just doing fang song, just relaxing into the earth. Inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. And notice that each time that you're making a breath, you're relaxing more. Your shoulders are relaxed. And again, inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Very good. And now we're going to start our purification of our body with the 6 healing sound. Connect to your lungs first. Very good. The lung sound is S, like a snake. S. Connect and let's just shake it out. One more. Then connect to your lungs, fill them with a white color. This is where we are letting go of grief and sadness and filling it with courage and righteousness and honor. Very good. Now connect to the kidneys. This is where our fear is stored, but also our willpower. So if the fear is big, we come into some kind of inertia and don't want to move along. And also the virtue of the kidneys is peace, is inner peace. So when we are in fear, we have got no access to inner peace according to Chinese medicine. So connect to the kidneys, and the sound is the water healing sound. Connect and just let's go. Just let's go fear. And just imagine how it is going down into the earth, how it's going and sinking down. If you feel that you need more, just shake more. I always like to purify more on the kidneys because that's where the fear is stored, and this is what our ego is feeding on. It feeds on the fear, and then it transmutes it into other emotions like anger or guilt assignment or all kinds of other funny things which the ego can come up to. Put your hands on your kidneys, connect to the kidneys, feel the warmth of your hands, and connect to the virtue of inner peace. Fill the kidneys with a dark blue color or even black color. It is the most yin organ in our body. It's the most female organ. So you just connect it. Very good. Smile at your kidneys and then come to the liver. The liver is on the right side of your body. Under your ribs. It's a very big organ and it's connected to the gallbladder. And you just connect for it to a moment. This is where your anger, your jealousy, your envy is stored. You don't want to have that, which is hiding the virtue of generosity, of gratitude, of kindness. The willingness to share with others and the willingness to receive from others. So you connect there. And the healing sound is shh. And so now we are gonna we're gonna let go of anger and irritability as well, and frustrations which arise from anger if you're not expressing it. Sometimes anger is good to express, but when you're carrying the anger with you, it's no good for nothing. Okay, so connect to your liver and let's start shaking out with the shh sound. Shh. Come to the right side of the body. Just imagine that you're letting go. Keep your eyes open and look down on the floor. This is also when you have got tension on your eyes or you've got headache. This can help. Also muscle or tendon pains is also helpful. Connect to your liver, fill it with green color and activate the virtues of kindness and generosity. And have a look what color is your liver today. Very good. And then come from the liver to the heart. That is where your hate is, and impatience. Also, depression can come from this hate and unwillingness to love and unwillingness to allow others to love you. So you connect to this particular emotion here. The sound is and we are letting go. Let's do 3 more. Connect to your heart. Fill it with the red light of a sunset. Breathe it in. Or the red light of a rose, and fill it with patience and unconditional love. Smile at your heart. And then we go to the next element. We go to the next organ, which is the spleen. It's right under your heart. Connect to it. And the sound is, this is where your worries and low self-esteem and preoccupation and distrust. So let's shake this out. Let go of preoccupation. Let go of this, not trusting yourself, not trusting the world, not trusting God, not trusting other humans. One more. Connect to the spleen. Notice how you feel. I've got all kinds of little issues with that. Very good. Connect to it. Fill yourself with the yellow light. Imagine a field of corn, and which is just ready to be harvested. And you just collect this energy of the earth into your spleen. Imagine you're filling it with yellow light. And activate the virtue of trust and confidence. And joy. This is all stored in there. Joy is in an interaction between the heart and the spleen. Very good. And now connect yourself to the earth. We have got one healing sound, which is the triple warmer and pericardium sound. But I would like you now to remember your lesson, remember your affirmation, your idea for today. Very good. And now you're going to shake out with the sound. he, and shake out anything which is obstructing the assimilation of this idea, all the grievances, all the distrust and the disharmony, and just say letting go of the things which are disturbing you. Imagine that you're clearing your central channel. We're going to do 3 more. Very good. And now connect to the earth. Notice how you feel. Bring your hands to the side. Notice the connection of your hands to the earth. Notice how your body feels. Your body feels much lighter. And now you connect to the earth chi. You bring it up above you. And connect to the heavenly chi. Inhale. And now we are going to use the sound to clear our central channel. Inhale. And then say good. Notice how the light is coming down through the central channel into your body. Let's do 1 more. Let's connect to the confidence to the earth. Inhale up. Hold. Collect the light energy from the holy self, or from the Christ consciousness and God itself. Inhale. And now bring it down, clearing your central channel. Remember your idea for today, your lesson for today. Very good. And let's do it 1 more time. Inhale. Connect to the heavenly source, connect to God. Remember your idea, and now bring it down into the awareness of your human experience with the notice how your body feels. Notice your connection to heaven and earth. Notice how strong your body is. Very good. And now we are just going to do 3, drawing down the heavens with affirming the idea for today. You connect to the earth, bring the earth chi up above your head. Inhale, connect to the heavenly chi, and exhale down. Bring the awareness of your lesson, of your idea into your body. Inhale up, connect, and bring the light into the awareness of your body, of your human experience. And last one, inhale, remembering that you are the light of the world. Exhaling down, that your body is a conductor of energy, therefore your body is a conductor of light if you just let it. And you align your mind with your Christ consciousness. Very good. And now we're just going to open the channel. Inhale up and exhale down. Remembering that you are the light of the world. Inhale and exhale. You can do it on the height of the lungs here. And now you go up and bring it up to the heaven. And exhale down. And this time you bring it up to the lungs. And exhale down. And up above. Inhale. I'm the light of the world. And exhale down. Connect to the confidence of the earth. Inhale up to the lungs. Spread it out to the side. Connect to humanity and exhale down. And bring it up to heaven. And come down to the earth. Always centering back during this human experience, remembering what our mission is, expanding, connecting to the humanity, to brothers and sisters, and exhaling down. Last one, connect to heaven. Bring the light, connect it. Imagine that you're like a funnel, and the light is funneling into your system and connecting with the idea for today, and becoming aware that you are the light of the world, that you are here to fulfill your function. Now inhale and spread this energy to the humanity which is all around you. Inhale and bring it all down to your lungs and your heart, remembering your idea for today. Allow the inspiration to come through that channel we have just opened and assimilate that idea in your awareness. Beautiful. And then lower your hands onto your belly. Let the whole idea sink down into your belly. Imagine that it's trickling down into your belly and trickling down into every cell of your body. Your body helping you to remember your idea, your affirmation for today. Thanking your body for bringing you to this particular place in the world. To bringing you to this particular place in your life. Very good. Very good. And then just share this whole thing in the body with all the organs, with all the cells, with all the tissues, bringing you up, circulating up on the right, bringing it over to the left, and just sharing it with the whole system, with your whole energetic system, the whole energetic field which you have within you and around your body. Remembering that you are not a body. Your true self is totally abstract, and your body is within your mind, and your mind is within spirit, within God. Very good. And then turn around and go do 12 circles, coming from the bigger to the smaller, returning the chi back into the sea of chi until you come to the navel. You can do fast ones, circulating fast ones, shrinking the chi into condensing it into a pearl, which is just as powerful. It's just condensed into a small space. And then you have a pearl in your navel, you push it in, push it down, and send it back to the sea of chi. Put your feet together. Notice how you feel from 0 to 10. You can share it down in the comments of how you feel now. Let me know how this went for you. And all the way around here you have got the different playlists for you to continue with your Qigong and the Course in Miracle journey. Have a wonderful day.